Hi everybody. Have you ever wanted to take a dish to a party that everyone was talking about? Well, I've got the recipe for you. Hi, I'm Brett Akagi and I'm a content producer for Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas City, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my sushi cucumber salad. The thing that I love about this salad is it's got a sweet and tart crunch with just a hint of sesame. And the best thing is, besides the taste, it's easy to make. You need these ingredients: 2 English cucumbers, medium size so they're easier to handle, a bottle of seasoned rice vinegar, and untoasted sesame seeds. Easy things to pick up in most grocery stores. To put it all together, don't forget a sharp knife, a peeler, cutting board, measuring cups, and a measuring spoon, a pan and stovetop to toast your sesame seeds, and a bowl to hold your salad. You probably already have these items in your kitchen, so let's get slicing. After I wash and dry the cucumbers, I cut the ends off. The next thing you do is choose your own adventure with a peeler, because you have to decide, do I peel it in one long cut or in sections? It's your choice. An English cucumber has a thin, edible rind, so I like to peel the cucumber and leave alternating stripes. Doing it like this makes the sliced cucumbers look pretty, and that helps with presentation. Next, we're going to thin slice the cucumbers. Notice how I'm holding it down near the edge with my fingertips curled under. I'm using my knuckles as a guide for my knife, moving my hand back as I slice. This is a technique that my mom taught me, and it's also used by real chefs. Just remember, if this is new to you, go slow and concentrate on your technique. What happens if you go fast? Well, you know. The sliced cucumbers go in the bowl, and now it's time for the seasoned rice vinegar. I also use this vinegar for my sushi rice. I can make sushi vinegar from scratch, but I see this as my sushi hack. It tastes just as good, it saves me time, so why wouldn't I use this? Back to the cucumbers. You need half a cup of sushi vinegar, pour it over the sliced cucumbers and mix. We're going to cover it and put it in the fridge to marinate. Next, we're going to measure 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and pour them into a pan. You can use a non-stick pan or a foil pan. Set your stovetop on medium or medium-high and place the sesame seeds on the stovetop. You have to keep the pan and the seeds moving to get them toasty brown, and you're going to get this wonderful sesame aroma when the seeds heat up. Okay, full disclosure. For some reason, even though I tried 3 different pans, I cannot toast sesame seeds to save my life for this video. So the best thing you can do is run to the grocery store and buy your own toasted sesame seeds and not have to worry about making a mess like this. After 45 minutes, take your sliced cucumbers from the fridge. A lot of water has come out of the cucumbers and you need to pour some of it off. Next, you'll add 1/3 cup of sushi vinegar over the cucumbers and mix again. Then you'll take your roasted sesame seeds, and this is the cool part. You're going to lightly crush the sesame seeds as you add them to the cucumbers. This helps release the sesame oil and it enhances the flavor. Another technique my mom taught me. Thanks, Mom! But if you want to add a little kick of spice, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now that's what I'm talking about. I promise if you do this right, everyone at your next foodie party is going to love your sushi cucumber salad. Good luck and arigato.